You talk too much. Not loudly, not arrogantly, but constantly. You explain why you did something. You explain what you meant. You explain what you will do next. You think clarity prevents problems, but every explanation gives away leverage. Right now, people don't defeat you. They prepare for you because they understand you. And predictable people are controllable people. Watch carefully. You tell someone your plan, they suddenly act strange. You reveal ambition, they discourage subtly. You confess fear, they remember later. Not cruelty, positioning. Predators don't attack strength, they attack certainty. Machiavelli warned, the greatest danger to a ruler is being read correctly. The moment your reactions become obvious, the battle ends before it begins. You think you lose during confrontation. You actually lose during conversation. Because words expose intention, and intention invites resistance. Today, you learn the first half of silent power. Not introversion, not passivity, strategic unreadability. By the end, you will understand why the quiet person in every hierarchy slowly rises, while loud effort stalls. Stay here, because once you see this, you can't unsee social behavior again. 1. People respond to prediction, not truth. Humans don't evaluate reality, they evaluate expectation. If they know what you will do, they plan before you act. That's why honest people struggle in competitive environments. Honesty creates forecast accuracy. Forecast accuracy creates counter-strategy. The moment others predict your reaction, they control emotional tempo. You become reactive. Reactive equals weak position. Ask yourself, how many arguments repeat the same structure? Because the other person already knows your script. They trigger, you respond, they escalate, you defend. You never noticed. You were following a role. Commands. Break predictable emotional responses. Pause before reacting. Change tone unexpectedly. Sometimes say nothing. Silence interrupts psychological momentum, and momentum decides most conflicts. But silence must be intentional, not nervous. So first, we remove nervous speaking. 2. The discomfort of quiet is your training ground. You fill silence because you fear judgment, but silence doesn't create judgment, it reveals it. The person uncomfortable with quiet exposes insecurity first. In negotiation, the calmer party controls direction, because humans rush to resolve uncertainty. You speak to end tension. They wait and gain information. Next conversation, try this. Answer shorter than expected. Hold eye contact. End sentence early. Watch them continue talking automatically. They reveal motivation trying to stabilize interaction. You just gained intelligence without asking a question. This is the information vacuum, and it works everywhere. Friendships, work, family. But you still sabotage yourself emotionally because you expect fairness. 3. Remove the secret contract. You think good behavior earns good treatment. That belief keeps you controllable. You tolerate imbalance, hoping it corrects itself. It won't. Humans maintain advantage until resistance appears. Kindness without boundaries signals infinite tolerance. Infinite tolerance invites exploitation. Not intentionally, instinctively. Machiavelli observed, loyalty follows necessity, not morality. So remove expectation. Give because you choose, not because you expect. The moment emotional payment is required, you surrender leverage. Commands. Do favors once without reciprocation, then stop. Observe behavior change. Never hint disappointment, just reduce availability. People respect what can disappear. Now emotional triggers weaken. Next, we fix your biggest leak, approval seeking. 4. Why explaining yourself lowers status? Every justification signals permission seeking. High status individuals state, low status individuals explain. Explanation invites evaluation. Evaluation invites challenge. You think explaining builds understanding. Often it opens negotiation about your own decisions. Short statements create certainty. Long explanations create debate. Practice this. Replace reasons with conclusions. Not rude, clear. You'll notice resistance drops over time because people stop expecting flexibility where none exists. Now your speech becomes precise, but reactions still expose priority. So we slow reactions. 5. Time is a weapon. Fast reaction equals emotional investment. Emotional investment equals control point. When provoked, delay response. Not to manipulate, to observe. Silence forces the other person to fill space. They reveal urgency level. Urgency level reveals dependence. Dependence reveals leverage. Most people lose negotiations by speaking too soon. You feel pressure to respond instantly. Resist. Wait minutes, sometimes hours. Calm timing creates authority perception. Authority perception changes behavior before words matter. You are now harder to steer, but still visible. So now we remove visibility. 6. Hide progress. People don't sabotage finished success. They sabotage emerging success. Announcing goals invites resistance forces early. You call it support, but advice changes trajectory. Unfinished plans require protection. Work privately. Share outcomes only. Silence during growth accelerates growth because energy stays focused on execution instead of defense. You'll notice something strange. Less criticism appears. Less doubt appears because nothing exists to attack. Now you understand silent preparation. But power requires more than defense. Next part turns silence into dominance. Before moving forward, remember this. Noise attracts resistance. Silence attracts information. And information decides hierarchy. Now you already speak less. You reveal less. You react slower. People feel something changed but cannot explain what. That uncertainty is the beginning of authority, because authority starts as perception, not position. In part 1, you became hard to control. In part 2, you become hard to challenge. Stay focused. The next principles turn absence of weakness into presence of power. 7. Shadow integration. You were taught suppressing aggression equals maturity. It actually creates anxiety. Unexpressed boundaries leak as hesitation. Hesitation invites testing. People push until they find edge. If edge never appears, they keep pushing. Machiavelli advised decisive correction over prolonged tolerance. One firm boundary prevents endless small conflicts. Commands. Say no once. Do not repeat it differently. Hold silence after refusal. The discomfort trains others. Soon they adjust automatically. You didn't become cruel. You became predictable in limits. And predictability in limits creates safety around you. Now respect begins forming, but perception must be guided. 8. Control what they think you are. You don't need to prove competence constantly. Let others underestimate occasionally.
Underestimation grants maneuvering room. If people think they know your full capacity, they prepare maximum resistance. If they think they understand you, they relax. Fox strategy defeats stronger opponents. Agree sometimes when you plan differently. Ask questions you already know the answers to. Appear less invested publicly than privately. Freedom grows in the gap between appearance and ability. Now conflict decreases, but influence requires one more step. 9. The power of delayed correction. Most people correct behavior instantly. That teaches others exactly how to provoke reactions. Instead, observe patterns. Correct once, precisely. The longer observation lasts,